For this video, I'll discuss on word problems involving work. So in solving problems involving work, we're going to use the formula T over A plus T over B equals 1, where T here, this is the time working together if they work together. Then A here is the time for person A working alone. And B is the time for person B working alone. So let's have example number 1 here. Jose can paint a house in 12 hours and Andres can paint the same house in 8 hours. How long would it take if they paint the house together? So we're going to use the formula T over A plus T over B equals 1. Then we're going to look for the value of T here. So we'll just substitute the value of A and B. So person A here will be Jose and our person B here will be Andres. So we're going to substitute the time that person A or Jose can do the job. So this will be 12. So we're going to have T over 12 plus T over the time of person B, Andres, will be 8 hours, so over 8. Then this will be equal to 1. Then we're going to have the LCD here. So 12 and 8 LCD here will be 24. So we can just have this one. 24 divided by 12 is 2 times T, is 2T. Then plus 24 divided by 8 is 3 times T, 3T equals 1. Then cross multiply. So we can have this one as 2T plus 3T equals 24 times 1 is 24. Then 2T plus 3T is 5T. Then this would be equal to 24. So T here will be equal to, divide both sides by 5, that will be 24 over 5. And if we're going to solve this one, 24 divided by 5, this will be 4, 4 times 5 is 20. Then this is 4 over 5. It's 4 and 4 over 5. So 4 over 5, if we're going to solve this one using calculator, 4 divided by 5 is 0.8. So this is 4 and 4/5 or 4.8. Then we're talking here of hours. So in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we'll just multiply 0.8 times 60. That will be 6 times 8 is 48. So that will be 48 minutes. Therefore, if they work together, they can finish or do the job in 4 hours and 48 minutes. Then let's have example number 2 here. In making a bahay kubo, Mike can do the job alone in 6 days. Then if Richard helps, they can get the job done in 4 days. The question is, how long would it take Richard to do the job by himself? So the given here is person A, Mike, and person B is Richard. So person A can do the job alone in 6 days. So the value of A here is 6. Then if they do the job together, they can get the job done in 4 days. So we can have 4 days here, or 4 as the value of T. So our aim here is we're going to find the value of B, or the time or number of days that Richard can do the job alone. So B here is unknown. So again, we're going to use the same formula, T over A plus P over B equals 1. Then we'll just substitute the given here. T is 4 over A, 6. Then plus same T4 over B, which is the unknown, equals 1. Then finding the LCD here, so we'll just multiply 6 and B, so 6B. Then divide this one to the denominator here, 6b divided by 6 is B, so we can have here 4B. Then plus 6b divided by B is 6, so we're going to have here 6 times 4, 24, equals 1. Then cross multiply, we can have this one as 4b plus 24 equals 6b. Then combining like terms here, you can just transpose this one to the right side. So we can have 24 equals 6b minus 4b. Then 6b minus 4b is 2b equals 24. Then dividing both sides by 2, b here is equal to 12. Therefore, if we're going to answer questions being asked, how long would it take Richard to do the job by himself? Our answer will be 12 days. So Richard can do the job by himself in 12 days. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have questions about this topic, just comment down below. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.